Hello, lounge lovers. Welcome to the channel. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this get unready with me. First, we're just gonna go ahead and wash away the day, honey. You know, we got to take off the makeup. So I'm using makeup wipes that came from Dollar Tree. Some of these products are going to come from Dollar Tree and it's going to come from Amazon. For me to not wear a lot of makeup, your girl gets that towelette gets dirty, honey. So we got to go back in with a fresh one to make sure we get everything off. Next, I'm going with Ambien, which is a complexion bar toner. So this one here, I believe I got it from my beauty supply store. And then I'm going to go in with my spin brush here that I got from Amazon. And we're just going to just go around the face and make sure that we, get the dirt and everything lifted up. Gonna go around the face and the forehead and make sure you get around your nose, your chin, get under your neck, around your mouth. Make sure you are not, being aggressive. Okay, we're gonna wet the face again because the face can get a little dry, and then we're gonna go back around. Make sure you get a clean towel, paper towel at that, and dry your face. It does get in your eyes just a little bit. I'm getting a cotton ball and I'm going to use some Dermacell. This toner I got from the Dollar Tree, either Dollar Tree or Amazon. I believe it was Dollar Tree because it was Dermacell. Next, I'm going in with some shea butter that I got from my beauty supply store. You just need a little bit. Because I'm going to bed, I am only going to use the shea butter, and that's it. We're going to make sure we put it around the face, forehead, and everything. All you need is a little bit. You do go to bed with a little greasiness, but it's nothing wrong with moisturizing your face. And this also helps even the tone of your skin. All right, so next I'm going to use this Cantu, which is a leave-in conditioner spray mist. I did forget to put in here that I did use a retinol, so I forgot to add that now that I'm looking back at this video. And I'm just going to brush my hair down. The reason why I do this is because I know I'm not going to curl my hair. So I wore my hair flat today, and then I'm going to wear it again flat on Friday. So this was Thursday night. Make sure I tie everything down, and then we are good to go. And we're just going to get ready for the shower routine. Here's the retinol that I use. This one I purchased from Amazon. And I'm just going to go over my face. Here are my toes. I did my toes the other night. I'll make a video next time about that. All right, so we're just going with this simple shower routine. I am using an antibacterial soap, which is Dial. I like using that, and I just put it on this loofah here. Yeah, I decided to get the color black instead of like the little neutral colors. And I'm just going to scrub my skin, get everything all together, lathered up. I don't have any, what do you call those smell goods, because they're in my daughter's bathroom, and I forgot to grab some before I did my shower routine. Next, I'm going to wash my lady parts, use a towel, and some Dove unscented soap. Okay, so now that my shower is completed, we're just going to go ahead and lotion up, because the last thing you want to do is go to bed ashy. Okay, boom. Put the lotion on. I do have some butter. I like to put butter on at night, but I don't know where it's at. I still really haven't organized my little linen closet that I have right here. Everything is out of boxes, but it's just not organized the way I want it to go. So, yep, so this is what I'm using. Some Jergens so I can smell very good, If I was wearing my contacts, I would go ahead and put my contacts in. I'm not wearing them today. Far as my hair, you guys already just saw me just spray some the Cantu, If you've been here for a while, you know this is what I've been using. Sorry, but the lights is literally right behind the thing, so the exposure is like really bad. But I use the Cantu Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner Mist. That is what I put on my hair, and I'm just going to wear it flat. Usually that's what I do when I know the next day I'm not going to curl my hair. So I didn't curl my hair yesterday, which was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. I didn't curl my hair. Tomorrow I'm not going to curl my hair. I am going to wash my hair either tomorrow night, which will be Friday, or I'm going to wash it on Saturday because I forgot to wash it last weekend. So that is that. I did use the African Shea Butter, 100% natural. I use this, you know, on my skin because it really needed some hydration. I don't have dry skin. I have oily skin, but you still need to put some type of oil and stuff on your skin. I do need to do a detox on my skin. I need to do that really bad. I might end up doing that this weekend when I wash my hair. I'll just go ahead and do that. The video that I am going to put out, which you're probably going to see before you see this video, that was done 2 weeks ago. Okay, so I'm a little bit behind of putting out my videos. Sorry. I've been concentrating so much on my first channel with me doing my 90-day post Zepbound update and getting that together and trying to heal my gut with the bloating and gassing issues. So it was a lot going on that I really needed to take care of on my first channel, and plus move. As you can see, I am in a new spot. I am not in the old place where I used to be. If you want to see that, you will need to go to She Is Tamika's channel, which is my channel. Go to that and you can go ahead and check it out. But until then, honey, I am set, ready to go. All I have to do is just brush my teeth, floss, and drink some tea, and then I am off to bed. But until then, thank you so much for joining the Get Unready with me with Tamika. You like my nightgown? Okay, so this nightgown here, well, nightgown, this night outfit, this night outfit I got from Shein. So it's a two-piece. It has it's kind of like leopard in a way. It's like a black leopard. I like it. I got this in a small. All right. So even with me gaining 20 pounds, I'm still in a small. Body recomp. Yes, honey. All right. So this is what it looks like. You know, it just comes up by length, whatever. But it's very comfortable and it's kind of like satin. So it feels good. Yeah, I like it. It's very cute. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, lounge lovers.